Psychology says that people who don't have many friends aren't broken. They're not antisocial and they're not failures. The truth is, there are real psychological reasons behind it that most people simply don't understand. And if you've been without close friends for a long time, there's a good chance your story is hidden in one of these 5 reasons. And the 5th reason is the most relatable, so don't miss it. Point 1. Zero tolerance for fake people. You can't stand fake personalities. You instantly spot people who act one way to your face and another way behind your back. That's why you'd rather be alone than surround yourself with people who aren't genuine. Point 2. Limited social energy. People drain your energy. Every conversation consumes mental bandwidth because you don't just listen, you analyze. That's why you need alone time to recharge. Point 3. Independent mindset. You don't constantly need other people around you. You can entertain yourself, think for yourself, and make your own decisions. And that's exactly what sets you apart from many others. Point 4. Trust issues. You don't trust easily because you've already learned that not everyone is trustworthy. So now you observe, test, and evaluate before deciding who deserves a place in your life. Now here's the truth. If you have only a few friends, it doesn't automatically mean you're weak. It may simply mean you're more selective about who you let into your circle. Quality over quantity, always.